Hey international students, I'm Teresa and I'm back to answer 3 questions in less than 3 minutes. In this video, I'll help you with the registration steps you need to complete when you arrive in Canada for your first semester. Let's dive in. Registration usually opens about a month before classes start. You'll get an email from Conestoga with all the details. So keep an eye on your inbox. Once you are notified, you can jump right in and start the registration process. You need to be fully registered in order to get access to your class schedule for the semester. Without registration, you won't be enrolled in your courses. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of the action. So make sure you complete all the steps and have access to your timetable as soon as they are released. Okay, here is what you need to do to complete your registration. Pay your first semester fees in full. Upload your photo. This is for your ONECard, which you use on campus for everything, from accessing the library to getting discounts. Update your Canadian address. Once you arrive in Canada, log into your student portal and enter your local address. Upload your study permit. When you arrive at the immigration border, you receive your study permit. This is the only official document the college will accept for registration. So make sure you upload it as soon as you can. If you follow all these steps and still can't see your timetable, don't worry. Just reach out to the college. They'll help you figure out what might be missing to finalize your registration. And don't forget, make sure to attend your classes on the first day. I can't wait to see you on campus.